Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset the Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing to sell or give away your device, resetting it is quick and easy. Let's get started. Before we start, let's discuss why resetting your Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300 might be necessary to fix connectivity issues, recover forgotten login details, restore factory settings, or prepare the device for a new user. Resetting ensures a clean slate for optimal performance. Next, plug the Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300 into a power outlet close to your router. Ensure it's within range of your current Wi-Fi network for a seamless initial setup. This step is crucial for establishing a strong connection and ensuring optimal performance. To reset the Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300, you'll need to locate the reset button. On this model, the reset button is a small pinhole, usually found on the back or bottom of the device. You'll need a paperclip or a similar tool to press it. Take your paperclip and gently press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the LED lights on the repeater start to blink. Keep holding the button until the lights turn off and then come back on. This indicates that the reset process is complete. Once the reset is done, the repeater will automatically restart. This may take a minute or two. Wait until the LED lights stabilize, showing that the device is ready for setup again. After the reset, the Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300 will return to its factory default settings. This means you'll need to set it up again, just like you did when you first got it. You can use the WPS method or the web interface to reconfigure it. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable assistance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Devolo Wi-Fi 6 repeater 300. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.